Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. This is a video lesson about numbers in German. Before we start, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Also write down below what you want to see in the next videos. So let's start. 0, 0. 0, 0. 1 is 1. 1, 1. 2, 2. 2, 2. 3, 3. 3, 3. 4, 4. 4, 4. 5, 5. 5, 5. 6, 6. 6, 6. 7, 7. 7, 7. 8, 8. 8, 8. 9, 9. 9, 9. 10, 10. 10, 10. 11, 11. 11, 11. 12, 12. 12, 12. And from 13, we say the number 3, 4, and so on, and we add 10, 10. So 13 is 13, 3 and 10. 13, 13. 14, 14. 14, 14. 15, 15. 15, 15. Be careful with 16 because we say 16. We don't have S inside. So 16 is 16. 17, 17. Not 17, 17. 18, 18. 18, 18. 19, 19. 19, 19. Tens from 20 to 100. 20, 20. 20, 20. Why I don't say 21, 22? Because I will explain a little bit later in the video. 30 is 30. 30, 30. 40, 40. 40. To make the tens, we add zig at the end. 50, 50. 50, 50. 60, 60. One more time, 60, 60. 70, 70. 70, 70. 80, 80. 80, 80. 90, 90. 90, 90. 100, 100. 200, 200. 100, 100. Wichtig, important, is 21. We change the order. We say 1 and 20. 21. 21, 21. 22 is 22. One word. We don't write them split. For example, 43 is 43. 43, 43. Index numbers ends with TE at the end. For example, first is erste. First, erste. Second, zweite. Zwei is two, so zweite is second. Be careful with third, it's not dritte, it's dritte. We change it a little bit and third is dritte. Fourth and fifth are the same as vierte und fünfte, but six, sechste. Six, sechste. 17, siebte. Useful phrases. Wie viel kostet das? How much does it cost? Wie viel kostet das? How much does it cost? Ich bin 19 Jahre alt. I'm 19 years old. Ich bin 19 Jahre alt. I'm 19 years old. Mein Telefonnummer ist, and you tell the numbers. My phone number is, meine Telefonnummer ist, heute ist der 3. April. Today is the 3rd of April. Heute ist der 3. April. Today is the 3rd of April. Thank you for your attention. Danke schön. Write down below what you want to see in the next videos, and we will definitely make the videos for the next day. Thank you for your attention. Bis bald. Tschüss.